just was.
Right now, the truck is going to...
Kicking pretty good. Man, look at it. It's dead. Hey Nick, you still awake? Better be, man. We're getting a last one from hell. There's the hurricane. Awesome. Now this is some intense shit right now. Look at that. Man. Man, look at that. That's a hurricane. Man, we are getting a lashing.
Yeah, it's got a lot harder here. There's a lot going back to you, too.
Oh my god, dude. Oh shit. Oh! Lights out. We just lost power in the beach. And I got it on film too. Sweet. I had it on night shot. We're completely black. We're in the dark. I knew we were going to lose power. Nope, now it's back on. Oh my god, I don't know how long that's going to last. Are you hearing all this, man? We're getting a lash. There it goes again. Power out. Man, it's just like... It's getting bad, man. I'm like underneath my carport with the camera on, recording it all. I can only see it on night vision.
Yeah, it's not like bad, like over there, but it gets pretty bad over here.
Hey, we just lost power again, dude. I got both power outages on video camera. We're in darkness again. Oh, now we're back. Oh, damn, dude. Now we got power again. It just went out and it came back on. It went out, it came back on, and like you can see flickers. What? Filming a storm. What the hell look like I'm doing? Man, this is like the run of the storm. I'm filming it, losing power left and right. This is yeah. Oh, dude, is that our power line hanging? Oh my god, dude. I think we got a power line now. Shut up.